First, you want to locate each part that you are going to be using. So your drain plug, your oil filter, and where you pour the oil in. As far as a bike stand goes, I did use one. If you don't have a bike stand, that's okay. It's just better to put oil in when your bike is sitting upright. First, you're going to need a 17mm socket and also a ratchet with an extension to be able to get that drain plug off. So everybody has their blonde moments. My dumbass forgot to open up the drain for the oil pan, so make sure you do that. You can also put paper towel down below underneath the filter. There are 4 screws and I think 2 rivets that you can take the panel off. I was just being lazy. You're also going to need an oil filter wrench. You can use the original high flow. They have a kit on Amazon that you can buy, but I used Mobile 1 and the K&N 204 filter. Make sure you add a little bit of oil inside that oil filter because that'll actually prevent a dry start when you start the engine after you're done. Typically you want to torque it to spec, but just as long as it's not too tight to where you crack it or it's not too loose, you should be good. Make sure your funnel has a tight fit, pour in the 2.74 quarts, which is what mine takes, and then check the chamber, make sure it's all filling in properly. If your CFMOTO has a maintenance light on, this is exactly how you get rid of it. Some models are different. Mine is a 2024, so these are the steps that it took me to get that maintenance light off. Thank y'all for taking a little bit of time out of your day to watch this, and I hope I've helped. Subscribe, like, and look out for more videos in the future.